Engineering, the future with innovation, research, and a commitment to academic excellence.
Welcome to the School of Engineering and Sciences. Under this school, we are having programs in mechanical engineering and civil engineering. With mechanical engineering, we are having robotics and artificial intelligence, smart manufacturing and automation. With civil engineering, we are having civil engineering and infrastructure, civil engineering and environmental engineering. Along with this, we are having various programs, undergraduate and postgraduate programs with mechanical and civil engineering. With cutting-edge facilities and experienced and expert faculties, we shape engineers ready to lead in manufacturing, automation and construction sector.
Our mechanical engineering department offers cutting-edge program in robotics and AI, smart manufacturing and automation engineering, with state-of-the-art facilities at Tata Technologies Centre of Excellence. The students gain hands-on experience with industrial robots, laser cutting machines, and 3D printing technologies. The department's vibrant technical clubs such as SAE Trident Racing Club encourage innovation and teamwork. Established in 1984, the Civil Engineering Department offers NBA accredited undergraduate and postgraduate programs. The department boasts 9 laboratories equipped with the latest instruments, including a NABL-certified material testing lab. Our faculty, with an experience of more than 10 years, actively engages in consultancy assignments, generating over 1 crore in revenue. Alumni have excelled globally, securing placements in top MNCs. This school emphasizes experiential learning through centers of excellence in advanced manufacturing and machine learning. Our students participate in industry-sponsored projects, publish award-winning research papers, and win accolades in events like Technoxian World Cup 2023. At the School of Engineering Sciences, we empower students to become future-ready engineers who innovate, build, and transform the world around them.